folks, and welcome back to Fishing with Den. This is just a quick video to show you the modifications I've been making to my Hooklength Tying Machine that I made a few weeks ago. I did need to make one or two just to make it work in the way I needed it to. So I'll just show you what I did so you can bring yours up to date as well. Well, the first thing I had to do was to make it shorter. If you remember, it was sticking out about so far. I did decide I was going to leave it that length for a while, but frankly, having used the machine a few times, I decided I'd just chop it off. Now, just a word of warning, bear in mind there's only 2 screws in here, so if I were to take these off, there'd be the danger of these 2 rails moving in and out. So what I did was to chop myself another piece of wood and insert it obviously in this position now. Left the original one in position back here, just put the 2 screws in, and then I cut off at this point here, which meant that this gap didn't change at all. Very small point, but fairly important, so you don't get this to be binding on you. And another thing to bear in mind, and I should have made this clear at the original video, on the back here I've got 2 screws in each rail. That was again to stop this thing where the rails could move slightly. So if you haven't already done that, make sure you do that now. The other thing I did, if you remember, I have a aluminium collar in there, and I found it was just catching slightly, not catching, but just wasn't running smoothly. So I just got some grease, actually it was Vaseline, put it on the inside of the thing, and now it runs really freely. Just a very minor thing, but it did help. And the final thing that I did, as you probably just saw, is I put some of this sticky back rubber on the feet. What I was finding was, just like with this one here, it slid too easily. Now, it doesn't go anywhere. So that means I've now got a stable platform from which to tie hooks. So, as I said at the start of the video, folks, it was only a very quick video just to show you the modifications I've made. Hopefully you'll make the same sorts of modifications and you'll be able to use this thing for years to come. As always, if you liked it, click the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can do that too. And other than that, the only thing left to say is bye for now.